Good morning, children. Let's continue our chapter. Chapter 6, bones, joints and muscles. Okay. So children, the next part of the skeletal system is the backbone. Okay. The backbone, also called as vertebral column or spine. So children, this is the human skeletal system. Okay. The first part of the skeletal system is skull. Second part is vertebral column. See, this is the vertebral column and this is made up of 33 small vertebrae. So the spine is attached to the head and made up of 33 small irregular bones, few of which are fused. Okay, the spine is attached to the head and made up of, देखो यहाँ पे जो spine है, it is attached to the head and it is made up of 33 small irregular bones. तो some bones are fused together, so we count them as 26. ठीक है, कुछ bones क्या होती है vertebral column में fuse हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से जब हम उसको count करते हैं तो हमको कितनी दिखती है 26. Each bone is known as vertebra. Okay, each bone, it is the vertebral column, it is made up of 33 small bones. ठीक है, and each bone is called the vertebra, having a small hole in the center to let the spinal cord pass through it. Okay, having a hole in the center, ठीक है, vertebra, to let the spinal cord pass through it. The first vertebra is called atlas. The first vertebra, it is called atlas. Okay, and vertebral column, it protects the spinal cord. Now next part of the skeletal system is rib cage. See children, this is the rib cage. So it is made up of 12 pairs of thin, flat, irregular and curved bones. So rib cage, it is made up of 12 pairs. ठीक है, 12 pair of bones. They are thin, flat, irregular and curved bones. Okay, and they are attached at the back to the vertebral column. Back में तो ये किससे जुड़ी हुई रहती है, देखो this is the vertebral column. So at the back they are attached to the vertebral column and in front to the breastbone. Okay, in front they are attached to the breastbone and at the back they are attached to the vertebral column. And rib cage protect the heart and lungs. So children, heart and lungs, they are the internal organ and rib cage protect them. So rib cage protect the heart and lungs and it also helps in breathing. Check yourself. We have 33 vertebral bones but we count them as 26 only. Why? Because we count as 26 but some bones are fused. Okay. Which part of our body is protected by vertebra? Spinal cord. Okay, so the vertebra, the vertebral column protects the spinal cord and vertebral column, it is made up of 33 small bones. They are called vertebra and vertebra protects the spinal cord. What is rib cage? And name the organs that are protected by rib cage. The rib cage protect the heart and lungs. Okay, and what is rib cage? It is a thin, flat, irregular and curved bones. Okay, then come to the next part of the skeletal system, the limbs. The limbs, okay, so arms and legs are known as limbs. Bones of the arms are attached to the shoulder. Okay, so arms and legs are known as limbs. Bones of the arms, they are attached to the shoulder. Children, this is the shoulder. Okay, यहाँ पे shoulder है and the bones of the legs, they are attached to the hip. Okay, तो bones of the arms are attached to the shoulder. ये जो इसकी ये है arms है, ये किससे attached है? Shoulder से. And the bones of the legs, they are attached to the hip. ठीक है, this is hip bone. तो each limb has 30 bones. तो each limb has 30 bones. Therefore, the total number of bones in the limb is 120. Okay, there are total 20 bones. The longest bone in our body is femur and femur bone, it is present in thigh. So thigh bone, it is the longest bone. Okay, which is present in our leg. So the longest bone in our body is femur. Okay, so there are 3 small bones in the ear, of which the smallest is stapes. Okay, so there are 3 small bones in the ear, out of which the small one is called stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S, stapes. Now children, come to the next point, types of joints. Types of joints means where 2 bones meet. Okay, so children, there are 2 types of joints. present in our body. So some joints are immovable. Immovable means they are fixed joint, okay, and some joints are movable. Okay, so immovable joints or fixed joints, they are present in facial bones and bones of brain box. Okay, they are immovable joints. And movable joints, movable joints are of 4 types: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint. So children, ball and socket joint, example, they are ball and socket joint present in our shoulder and hip joint. Okay, and hinge joint present in our knee, elbow. Okay, knee and elbow hinge joint is present. Then gliding joint, example, ankle, wrist. Okay, ankle and wrist joint. So gliding joint present in our ankle and wrist. Then pivot joint present, example, skull with first vertebral bone. Okay, so this is the classification of joints. Then what is joint? So children, joint means a point at which 2 or 3 bones meet is known as joint. So joint means a place, a point where 2-3 bones meet. Okay, is known as joints. So joints are of different types. They may be fixed joint, okay, and fixed joint or movable joint. Okay, so joints are classified into 2 groups, okay, movable and immovable joints. Now fixed joints are seen in face and skull. So fixed joint, they are present in our face and skull. And movable joints are of 4 types. They are, first is ball and socket joint. See children, देखो ball and socket joint. तो shoulder, देखो shoulder joint, there is a ball and socket joint. So shoulder joint and hip joint are the example of this joint. Okay, so shoulder joint and hip joint are the example of ball and socket joint. So we can move our hands and legs in all direction with the help of ball and socket joint. Okay, so ball and socket joint, they are present in our shoulder, okay, and hip, and with the help of ball and ball and socket joint, we move our hands and legs in all direction. Okay, then shoulder joint, the ball of hand bone is fitted. Okay, the ball of hand bone is fitted into the socket of the shoulder bone. Okay, that it makes it move freely. आप यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ये जो हमारा हैंड है, हैंड की जो ये वाला जो पार्ट होता है, इसका जो सॉकेट ये होता है, ये शोल्डर के सॉकेट में फिट रहता है. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से हम अपने हैंड को इजीली मूव कर पाते हैं. एंड हिप जॉइंट, द बोन ऑफ द फीमर बोन, ठीक है, is fitted in the socket of the hip bone that make it move freely. Okay, hip joint. Then hinge joint, knee and elbow joints are hinge joint. Okay, knee and elbow joints, they are hinge joint, and these joints help us fold our hands and legs only one direction only. Okay, then example, knee joint and elbow joint, they are the example of hinge joint. Then pivot joint, skull moves on the top of the first vertebra, which is known as atlas. Okay, skull moves on the top of the first vertebra, which is known as atlas. The first vertebra is called atlas. Okay, and this joint is known as pivot joint. The pivot joint present in atlas. Okay, this joint help us to move our head in all directions, like forward and sideways, up and downwards, except backwards. ओके, तो इसी पाइवोट जॉइंट की वजह से ही हम अपने हेड को क्या कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्शंस में मूव कर सकते हैं, लाइक फॉरवर्ड, साइडवेज, अप, डाउनवर्ड्स, बट एंड डाउनवर्ड एक्सेप्ट बैकवर्ड. देन ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट, देखो चिल्ड्रन, ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट प्रेजेंट इन रिस्ट. तो अ ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट अलाउज स्मूथ एंड ईजी मूवमेंट. तो वी कैन टर्न आवर रिस्ट और एंकल, बेंड आवर बैक easily due to this joint. Okay, example, ankle, wrist joint and between vertebral column. The tissues that join muscles to bone is known as tendon. So tendon means the tissues that join muscles to bone. Okay, and what is ligament? Ligament means the tissues that join bone to bone is called ligament. Then check yourself, name all the joints of our body. Okay, so they are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Okay, where do you find the ball and socket joint in our body? The ball and socket joint, they are found in shoulder and hip. Okay, then give two example of hinge joint. Hinge joints, they are present in our knee and elbow. Okay, what is the use of pivot joint in our body? So children, देखो pivot joint help us to move our head in all directions, like forward and sideways up and downwards, but except backward. Then name the tissues that join bone to bone and bone to muscle. So children, we know the tissues that join muscles to bone is known as tendon, and the tissues that join bone to bone is known as ligament. Okay children, so this much for today's class. Thank you.